guys, and today we're going to be doing long division. So we have our sum 8,765 divided by 12. So first we're going to write out our sum. Which is 8,765 divided by 12. Now before we do anything, we just write down our 12 times tables.
12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. Okay,
so first off, 12 into 8 goes 0 times. So you do 8 take away 0 is 8.
And then
Then you'll bring down your 7. 12 goes into 87. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So it goes in between there.
So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you do 87 take away 84. So 7 take away 4, which would be
is 3. And 8 take away 8
would be 0. Okay, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Since you went in 7 times, you put the 7 up here. So you bring down the 6, and it'll be 36. And as you can see, 36 is in the 12 times tables, and it goes in 3 times.
Okay. Now we're going to do.
Now we're going to do 36
minus
take away 36
is 6 times 6 is 0, 0. 12 goes into 0 times. Bring down your 5. Then 12 goes into 5 0 times. So we put our decimal there, and we bring down a 0. So 12 goes into 50, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We put 50 in between there, and we minus 48. So 10 to 8 you can't do, so you cross out, that becomes 4. 10 to 8 is 2, and 4 to 4 is 0.
Now you bring down the 0. You bring down the 0 and put another 0 here. Okay. And then you do so 20 goes into 12 one time. So it goes in between 24 and 12. And then you do, then you put the 1 up here. Then you do 20 take away 12. And you put 1 here and exchange the 1 to put to the next to the 0. 10 take away 2 will be 8. 1 take away 1 will be 0. And since now you have 2 numbers in your decimal place, that will be the answer.
So your answer would be 73.41.